Hi, how are you today? I think you are all good. Today I will show you that how you can make $5 minimum a day. If you are working hard in this site, you will get much more money, I think. Okay, this is very easiest work in this planet. Okay, just you need to complete simple task and you can withdraw your money. So today I will show you step by step that how you can work this Russian website. This is very trusted website and you need to just follow my step. I will show you all the way that how you can make these types of money. Okay, this is not very high, but $5 is not a simple for any many countries, I think. So link in the description box below. You need to click my link and you come through my link and you will place directly here. So after clicking link, you need to just click on register button. Okay, you need to just put your email. This is my email address. Copy, paste, and just I need to type my password. Okay, retype password and accept registration button. I need to click. Okay, I'm just saving this and okay, now just watch this. If you are advertiser, you can complete your task through this website. Okay, you can read this if you want. So I'm not reading, simply I'm closing and go to your email and just they send you a mail, you just see. Okay, okay, I just confirm my mail and it's done. It's very simple. Okay, this account creation is too much simple and make money is too much simple in this website. Okay, how you can make money? Just you need to go here and see this. If you complete this work, you will get 2.40 ruble. Okay, and if you complete this work, you will get 1.50 ruble, and if you complete this work, you will get 6 ruble. Okay, it's a task complete website. You need to complete that task and you need to screenshot and submit this screenshot in this website, and they will see your work and they will approve and you will get money. It will around take 24 to 48 hours, but they will 100% payment you. Okay, okay, I'm showing that how you can generate money. Okay, I'm showing you that mobile app installation 6 MB. If you do it, you will get 2.40 in a couple of seconds. Take money and just subscribe and like. Just subscribe and like, you will get 6 ruble. Okay, I'm telling you that 80 or 79 ruble equal to 1 USD. So I'm typing just one job like, okay, I'm just typing here play market or play store review. Okay, you need to type here, this is link play.google.com. so I'm typing here and just you need to review. Okay, just you need to review. Just you need to review this app. Okay, and you need to just screenshot. Okay, this is all review. Okay, just you need to review and just you need to just screenshot this. Okay, I think you reviewed this and just you screenshot this page. Okay, now you need to go back your offer section and you need to put the screenshot there. Okay, okay, I'm choosing another offer. Okay, This is simple. I think if you don't know about this, I will make another video. Okay, I think you complete this work. This is very simple. Okay, I think you can complete it. Okay, now how you can withdraw this money in your wallet. Okay, you need to just tap on balance section and you need to just tap on withdraw funds. Okay, just see this, the minimum withdrawal amount is 50 raven. It is very easy. You can make it through 30-minute work or 20 minutes. Okay, and this withdrawal process will 1 to 3 business days. Okay, you need to put your amount here and you can withdraw your funds like your money or pair. Okay, I think how to create a pair account, if you don't know, I will make later. Okay, and you need to put here wallet number and just tap on withdraw button. Okay, this is the process that how you can make like these types of money. So link in the description box below, just go and click the link and create a account in this website and start making money. This is easiest way ever. This is 100% will payment you, so I think you can do it. So thanks for watching, and I will make a payment pro video after, so wait for my video. Thank you so much.